So this is a very short video about how to fix the CasparCG client if you don't have the time remaining or the audio meters working. And this happens when you use different versions, especially the 2.2 version of the client, and you need to remove the data that is saved by the different clients. To find the data, go to your main drive, users, local, and there you have the folder .casparCG. Make sure before to close your CasparCG client, otherwise you can't remove it. And in this case, I'm also gonna close the server, and I'm just gonna remove it. So now I'm gonna start a 2.07 server. And I'm also gonna start the 2.08 Caspar client. And now when we import a video and press F2 to play it out, you will have the time remaining again. And also the audio meters, but this video doesn't have any audio, so you won't see the audio meters. Just make sure to use the right client version. So only use the 2.2 version of the client with the 2.2 server and the 2.08 version for all the other servers. And if you have the same problem, make sure to first remove the data of the client from your client PC.